game the whole time. Okay? We just got to keep improving, and we're getting there, I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
Keep believing in what we're doing and keep working hard, gentlemen. We're going to get to where we want to go. Our focus is getting better, and that's what's happening. It is happening. If you can't see it, then you must be living in the closet. And then stop anything in the end zone. No pass interference. You got it? All right. Watch the trip side Hail Mary. Trip side Hail Mary.
Let's go, man. Let's go, dude. Benny, third down. Hey, it's going to be H flat.
1, 2, 3.
Linebacker, see the line. Let's go.
Watch number 6, number 13 on the
So, lock!
Hey, kids, hold up.
Hey, lock!
Get it right up.
First game, coach. They said that Coach Callahan back in high school played more girls than you. Is there any truth to that?
No, and this is over the internet. I want to make sure everybody knows who's number one. I still know.
Unless you can throw it down. There it goes. Bow. Let's go, keep it up.
Coming right here, man. Sal's coming to you, baby. Watch that see him. Stay with him, stay with him.
It's okay. Hey, it don't matter. Let's go. Aim it away. Mike, let's go. Play one more game and be done here. Yes, sir. Okay, we got Newsom next. Okay, you guys know Newsom. Okay,
yes,
we guys got to execute. We can beat anybody out here.
Yes, sir.
We do our job.
Yes,
You
sir.
guys with me?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go. Put your hands in here.
Okay,
Watch his little.
running through your zone and let's make a big play. Need a pick. Get the ball. Okay? Let's go. Bleed blue, baby. Bleed blue.
Go, hey, bleed blue, 1, 2, bleed blue, 1, 2, 1, 2, bleed blue.
Tighten down a little bit, Click. Hey, tighten down, Danny. Tighten down, Danny. There you go. Just read it now. Just read it, David. Ready!
15 minutes. On the Sunshine Preps field, we will have Strawberry Crest versus Gaither. And on Team Red Sports, we will have Wesley Chapel versus Bloomingdale. Looking ahead for the 1:30 games, we're going to have Hillsborough versus Alonzo, Tampa Catholic versus Middleton, Tarpon Springs versus Newsom, and King versus Wharton. Once again, we appreciate everyone coming out to support our local prep athletes. I know it's very hot out today, and we appreciate your support, all of our sponsors, and thank you for helping make this tournament a success.
4. Fourth down, Wick. 4. Nick, 4th down. Cover 2. You're in cover 2. Cover 2. Let go, Brandon. Roll, Mississippi.
Come on, y'all. Come on.
Get that first, let's go.
Listen to me. We're going to do the second. We're going to go gun empty right. Gun empty right. 1 and up. 4-8. 1 and up. 4-8. Okay, backside 2-8. Yes. 1 and up.
Gun empty right, 1 and up, 4-8. On me. Ready?
You got the post right. 1 and up. Let's go deeper. Get the first down, Finn.
244. 244.
Ready? Hey, keep on running. Let's go Tuesday. Hey, go Tuesday.
Ready.
Clear route.
Bingo.
You got it. Let's go, y'all. That's going to be guys.
Alright, we're here with Coach Ashwood from Hillsborough High School. If you could talk about today's activities and today's event and how it's going so far for your team.
Well, it's going pretty good right now. Basically, it's a practice game for us to see where our guys are at right now. And for the first 2 games, we did pretty good. Dropped a few balls, had a couple bone assignments, but that's to be expected. You know, we've been going at it one-on-ones with, you know, our own team, so it's good to see how we stack up against the competition around here.
Complicated out here at all. Nothing. We're playing 2 coverages. In fact, we want to play cover 2 twice, maybe 3 times tops. Corners. I will make sure you know we're on cover 2. I will absolutely 100%. You will know that we're on cover 2. Otherwise, nothing gets behind you. You don't know what you're doing. Nothing gets behind you.
Get the 15 minutes of fame. Kiss him off. Show it to him.
Hey, what up now, Shay? This is King Hot Boy.
Just pass me the whole thing.
Yeah, Monday.
Hey, we got first down. First down.
Hey, live underneath that 45. You too far. Go downhill. Hey, go down and this right there. Watch your back. Watch your back.
Take it and come up, baby. How did your team and your staff prepared for this event today?
Well, I mean, you know, we're basically doing like all other high schools where we actually are going through the times to work on our time and our game plan for these types of events and everything. You know, I think it's very good because it helps the quarterbacks, helps the receivers, DBs and everything. So I think it's a wonderful thing. You know, right now we're playing okay. You know, first thing in the morning, you know how young kids are. So we're looking for them to get better as they play.
All right, listen to me, okay? It's like what we talked about. Build off your last success. Take your say those now. All right, build off your last success. No backslide. Stay focused. What's the 3 A's?
Alignment, assignment, aggression.
Alignment, assignment, aggression.
James! Come on! You got 22 bubbles. If it's single and he's off, now you got the look. Okay? Here we go, D. What's up, fellas?
Hey, good luck, y'all. Good luck this year, guys. Good luck, guys. Good job, young man. Good job. Good job, baby. Keep at it, baby. Keep at it. There you go.